Before calling the professional, maybe it's DIYable.
Welcome to another DIY video. This time, we are going to talk about how to repair garbage bin, green bin, or recycling box. That smells exciting. Let's get started. Look at my green bin. The garbage guy threw it on the ground. It's broken badly. Is this fixable? Most of these hard plastic bins are made of high-density polyethylene. In the past, I successfully fixed them by sanding with sandpaper and then applying goop glue. It worked, and some are still holding well. However, look, this one did not last very long and came apart, and this one is peeling off. I found this gadget on Amazon. It's a plastic welder usually used in automotive repair for fixing bumpers. I paid around $35 Canadian. It's perfect for repairing garbage bins. The biggest question is, will this be strong enough to hold the green bin's metal latch? Luckily, the broken part is still in one piece. I did a dry run test to make sure the latch still works perfectly. Next, to put it back into its original shape, I used some masking tape to hold it in position. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll. It's pretty self-explanatory on how to use it. The plastic welder came with many different shapes of hot staples, and I believe this one is the best. You may be wondering, what orientation should you place the staple? For me, I did it this way because I wanted to get a longer weld between the two broken pieces of plastic. Look, the first staple melted and went in, and it's holding together. Simple as that. We are going to repeat this along the crack. We need one in the front to make it stronger. Perfecto. The more staples you have, the better. It looks like it is working and holding up pretty well. I am going to install one more staple. This time, I am using a different shape because there isn't a lot of space. It's not a bad idea to install one on the side to reinforce it. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's move to the next step. Place the back side of the masking tape on the surface like this. Now, use a pair of cutting pliers to trim off the metal as close to the plastic as possible. Then, place them on the back side of the masking tape. If you leave these on the ground, there's a chance you may get a flat tire. Repeat until all of them are done. In the next step, we will use a Dremel tool with a grinding attachment to smooth out the surface. You need to make sure it's completely flat, otherwise, someone might get hurt. Focus on grinding all the metal staples until everything is good, then move on to work on the plastic. This takes some time and patience to get it to a point where it's smooth. Put your hand on it. You shouldn't feel any metal sticking out. That's an indication of success. This DIY repair is so easy, and it works flawlessly. You don't have to waste money buying a new one. This fix can last for a couple of years. You can do the same on the other recycling box too. Look, here is my blue box. If that's not a successful DIY project, I don't know what is. Give this a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. My goal is to inspire more people to try DIY projects. Remember to subscribe and check out other videos on my channel. I'm pretty sure you will love them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.